Today we're starting off our series with something the Danes call Hygge. Hi friends, welcome back to Tiny Oasis Decor. I'm so excited because this week we're kicking off a brand new series for September called Fall Hygge at Home. Now, if you're not familiar with the word hygge, it's a Danish concept that's all about coziness, warmth, and enjoying life's simple pleasures. And I don't know about you, but once the air starts to cool and the days get a little shorter, I'm ready for all the cozy vibes. Today we're starting off our series with something the Danes call Hygge, basically a little cozy nook where you can curl up with a good book, sip your tea, or just watch the world go by. Unlike a calm corner that's focused on stress relief, a Hygge nook is about leaning into life's simple joys and wrapping yourself in comfort. Think of it like carving out a pocket of comfort in your home, no matter how small your space is. So how do you make one? Let me paint the picture for you. Step 1. You'll want to pick your spot. It doesn't need to be a whole room, although wouldn't that be lovely? You just need a corner, maybe by a window where the light comes in, next to a warm heat source, or in your crafting corner. Hygge isn't about big, it's about thoughtful. Step 2. Seating. An armchair, a comfy desk chair, one end of your sofa, or your bed are all wonderful choices. But if your space is limited, even a storage bench or ottoman works perfectly. Somewhere you can sit comfortably, and bonus, tuck away your blankets and books. Even a stack of floor cushions could create that sense of coziness. Step 3. Lighting. This is where the magic happens. Overhead lights, not very hygge. Instead, think soft, warm glow. A dimmable standing light, a little table lamp, a lantern, or even fairy lights. Suddenly, that corner feels like it's wrapping you up in a big hug. Step 4. Your comforts. Maybe a basket beside you with your current read and journal, a tray or cute coaster for your mug, or a cozy throw blanket draped nearby. If you've got a slim bookshelf or a side table with hidden storage, even better. Everything has a place, but it's still at arm's reach. Step 5. Don't forget texture and nature. Hygge loves natural materials. Wood, rattan, a leafy plant, even a little pumpkin or some pine cones. These small touches layer in warmth without clutter. Step 6. Make it personal. A favorite photo, your go-to candle scent, or even just one mug you always reach for. Hygge isn't about perfection, it's about presence. It's about creating a space that makes you feel at home in your own home. And here's the best part. Your Hygge nook doesn't need to be elaborate. Sometimes it's as simple as curling up on your bed with a blanket and a tray table. Other times it's tucking into a corner chair bathed in soft light from the window. Whatever makes you sigh with relief when you settle in, that's your nook. So this week, I'd love for you to try setting up your own Hygge. Keep it simple, keep it personal, and let it grow into the coziest spot in your space. The pieces shown today are linked in the description box below, in case anything has caught your eye for your own space. There are also links for our weekly newsletter and a free downloadable Calm Home kit if you're interested. And next week, we'll keep the Hygge going as we talk about gathering around the table, even if your table is tiny. I'll share ideas for small space meals, game nights, and the kind of connection that makes fall so special. You won't want to miss it. Until then, keep cozy and lean into life's simple joys. Bye-bye.